welcome back to my channel Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Today I am going to do an origami box for you. For this all you need is one square paper. So just follow the steps what I am doing. So from each corner you have to fold it to the middle and crease them. This will be a great craft during summer vacation for kids. It's very easy to do, yet it will keep them engaged. And moreover, you don't need much craft materials for this also. Just a single paper, even white sheet will be sufficient. So this way you have to fold it. So from this is the square paper. First step is take each corner and fold it to the middle and crease these sides. Now from one end fold it to the middle and crease. Again from the other end do the same way. Now open it and from this end again fold it till the middle. Now bring this side also to the middle and crease the edges. So now you see we have these marks. So first we have folded like this and creased the edges, and then we opened it and we brought these two sides together and creased the edges nicely. So now open it this way. Watch carefully, and this is the folded side. So you have to bring this this way and crease it the same way. This is the folded side. So this is how it looks. Now we will fold it this way and bring it like this, and we will fold it. One side of the box is ready. Other side I am going to do, you can watch it. Open it and this is the folded side. You are going to fold it this way. And the other side do the same way. I'll just show you once again. It should be like this. After folding four sides, you will crease it like this. After creasing, open it like this, and from this way fold it. The other side, open it, do similarly. Now crease all the edges nicely so that the paper box sits stiffly. Now our cute colorful paper box is ready. You can make even two boxes and fit it inside to form a cover. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on all videos. Thank you.